There you go.
That shit.
Alright. That shit is on.
Yeah, that shit on. What's good?
You know what I'm saying?
It's Mr. High Volume.
Your boy J Hop, you know what I'm saying?
High Volume Music. Is over here. You know,
Trying to get it in, getting it in.
yeah, I'm doing this. You see me in the dorm room when we at school. You know what I'm saying? Getting that education. But anyway,
A little scramble.
this is the video blog #1. HVM Boss Blog 1. That's what we're gonna call it, the HVM Boss Blog.
Yeah.
This is #1. But you know, we got on here, you know, pretty much just to tell everybody, thanks for supporting the mixtape.
Hell yeah.
We dropped
appreciate the
Tuesday.
love for real. Like.
And we getting a lot of good feedback about it, so we were just gonna thank everybody for supporting and just listening, because that's all we really want people to do is listen. The hard copies of the mixtape will be coming soon.
Very soon.
For all the people that's been asking for the hard copy, I know the downloading thing is good sometimes, but not all the time. So the hard copy is coming soon. So if you want a hard copy, hit the inbox on Facebook, Twitter. Follow me at Mr. High Volume.
Hell yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So
I be on there a little here and there, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get my Twitter game back up. You know what I'm saying? I'm just High Volume Music, all caps. Niggas gotta say it. High Volume _ da da da. You know what I'm saying? I'm on there. Hit niggas up.
yeah, just you know, say you want one, hit me up whenever. You know, whatever. If you see us, just hit us up. It don't matter. We're gonna get them hard copies real soon. We got way more music coming.
So much more, man. Oh my
We got
god.
Stack Cash, his mixtape coming soon.
KO mixtape coming.
Kato mixtape coming soon. We got the title for that. It's called Glazerholic. So look out for that Glazerholic mixtape coming soon.
Soon.
Business Boy.
Just some.
It's gonna be epic.
That's all he could tell us.
It's about to be a movie.
You know what I'm
That's
saying?
all I want y'all to know.
Shit.
It's about to be epic. We're gonna have to get Hype Williams. We're gonna have to get the nigga that did Star Wars.
It's gonna be some
We gonna have to get all
Lucas.
that. Some George Lucas.
Yeah, some George Lucas.
We're gonna have to get all that, but
Oh,
we about to get it in.
man.
Shout out to everybody that's holding it down in the mill. Pizzle.
Everybody,
Shout
man.
out Pizzle.
Rizzy.
Shout out Ray Rizzy.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out La Kid. He doing it big out there. Shout out Young
Yeah,
Major.
yeah.
He doing it big with that Miss Perfect. I feel that.
That shit
Who's
hot.
doing it big?
I like that song, though.
Shout out Nitty, Ray Nitty. He
Yeah.
doing it big still with the bow. So shout out them. Man, everybody in the mill.
Oh, my mama. Hell yeah.
Okie, B Wilkes, everybody. We fuck with everybody.
I want to say, I'm going to shout out my nigga, because they was doing their thing at the warehouse, though. I can't jack them. Their stage presence was a little monster, like, I ain't gonna lie. So shout out to Valley Camp, though. I'm gonna say that.
Valley Camp.
Yeah, dog. Like,
Shout out Valley Camp.
Yeah.
Shout out Eastside El Bud. We fuck with that.
Jacket Down.
Jacket Down. Shout out Money Sign. 414 down. You know, can't forget the money sign today.
Shout out, man. Shout out Perry, man. That's my dudes, man. Like I fucks with Perry, man. Everybody else, niggas know who I am, man. Come on, man. Like, shout out to all of them too, though. Y'all keep doing your thing, man. 88 Clothing.
Yeah.
I see you. Party coming soon. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna be in attendance.
Everybody do that. Shout out DG.
Hell yeah.
B-Mac DJ, the second annual Night of Chaos, man. I wasn't able to make it because I was out working.
It was going down, man. It was a lot of people in the building, you know what I'm saying? I mean, everybody heard the news, you know what I'm saying? People was sad. And, you know, they don't step down. But, you know, you got to move on, do what you got to do. It was a wise decision, you know what I'm saying? Do what you got to do, man. Shout out Chaos, too. Yeah. They got t-shirts now, man, and book bags.
And pins.
I didn't see the pins.
They got pins.
Damn. I like the shirts, though. Like,
shout out everybody, though. Everybody doing it big. And shout out Ricky. He doing the fashion show. We was
in
just,
the Kappa shoes.
We just stopped over there. And they was getting it in over there. He got them all them modeling, taking pictures, legit pictures. Shout out to Said Ray. He do the pictures, you know, he getting it in with that.
So they was over there, plenty of them too. They weren't musty. I was surprised too, like, cause you know you get a lot of girls together, man. They get musty real quick, dog. It wasn't even musty over there, man. It smelled like some Bath and Body Works in there, man. It was nice, man.
Shout out everybody, man. Shout out, How About Your Music,
man.
Why wouldn't we shout out?
I'm so proud of my peoples, man. We niggas been grinding, we been doing it, man. So
yeah, so shout out Business Boy, shout out DJ B-Mac, Stack Cash, JR. Shout out JR.
Hell yeah.
JR, you got some fans, man.
Hell
I
yeah.
tell you about that. You got some fans.
Hell
shout out AB, Anthony Barnes. Shout out Alexis Olivia.
Flyboy.
Shout out Flyboy, man. How about
you know what I'm saying?
Shout out
man. Everybody, man.
Shout out Vanilla TV, man.
Oh my mama. Mr. Vanilla TV. Check him out. Vanilla TV, man.
So we gonna get it in, man. Shout out to all CMG. Don't forget about the CMG niggas, Hardaway, Young Rams, Pizzo, J Ace, Dooch. Don't forget about them, you know what I'm saying? So you know what I'm saying. We gonna get it in 2010, like we said in the mixtape, man. You can check us out all the time. We're gonna be doing this more often. highvaluemusic.blogspot.com. We about to get it in, man. It's gonna be a good hot summer.
Man,
we're gonna be out. Y'all gonna see us. We're gonna be out here getting the mixtape out and the other mixtapes that's coming up. So shout out everybody, man.
Hell yeah. Shout out my cousin too, man. You doing your thing with the 88, man. I see you, man. On my mama, man. I see you, Mr. Hawkins. You getting it in, my brother. You know what I'm saying? That's, you know what I'm saying? AVG coming soon. I'm gonna say that for the record, cause I'll be like, man, I gotta put the clothing together real quick, man. I got stupid ideas. So fuck with your boy, man.
Oh yeah, all the producers out there, man. Send beats to the email, the highvolumeent@gmail.com or businessboy@gmail.com. Send them beats through, man. If y'all got a price for the beats, send a sample of the beat and tell us what the price is. And if we like the beat, we gonna cop the beat. That's just how it's gonna go. We're trying to work on this High Volume Music mixtape. This next one, this part 2. We coming with something serious on this. Part 2. We just gonna do it. We did it real big for the 420, man. This is telling the mixtape.
Yeah, we just trying to do something different, man.
Scramble.
Hell yeah. Everybody on the same thing, but you know what I'm saying? We doing our thing, man. But shout out to everybody doing what they doing, though. I'm loving the Milwaukee scene right now. I ain't gonna
Milwaukee hustle.
Man, I like it right now, dog. Real talk. But you know what I'm saying? Blogspot, How About Your Music, Blogspot, we got going on. I want to say we got a Ustream coming soon. Yeah, man. When we gonna put that up there, man? That's in the works, man. We got so much in the works.
If you don't want a whack, get B-Mac.
Yep, and that's right. Hey, it's 2010. DJ B-Mac in the motherfucking building.
All we smoke is loud, niggas.
Yeah.
We scramble, niggas.
High value music.
Kush, pills, liquor, etc. I'm scrambled. You betcha. Like Randall or Mike Vick. I just do it like Mike. Woke up this morning feeling just like me. Feel a little tired and go to sleep after 3. But I can fix it. Hit the beam, man. Gotta wake and bake, so I roll the trees, man. I can't help it. I'm addicted. I'm a stoner, bitch. I love to get lifted. I get money, so I love to just spend it. Need $100 grand just to spark a little interest.